I think I told you that I was born like this.
Mhm.
Yeah. You were too?
Yeah.
Yeah. And so they don't really know what happened, but they think it might be congenital banding or amniotic banding syndrome or whatever, where a bit of like amniotic bands that are floating around in there. I don't really know what they like can float around and they can get attached around infants' body parts. And kind of constrict blood flow and therefore constrict growth. But my theory is this. When I was developing inside my mom's tummy, my left arm kind of got loose from my fetal position and went like this and kind of got stuck on the inside of her like uterus, womb or whatever, and then just got stuck there and didn't grow. This is the same position that Superman flies in, and Superman is my favorite superhero, so that's my story. That's how I think it happened.
I also assume that it happened that way.
Do you?
That's probably right. Yeah, I was also born without my left arm. My parents actually didn't know until I popped out the womb. Surprise! Yeah, here I am. So when they did the ultrasound, I guess I was turned the other way, so they couldn't even see this side. They assumed I just, had two arms.
You just wanted it to be a sweet surprise.
Yeah, I mean, best surprise ever,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.